welcome back to the backpack. I'm Asher and today I'll be showing you how to do the Obi-Ani spin from Star Wars. Step 1. First, you are gonna technically do a drop and hold. Drop it like this, but only your pointer and your thumb are still holding on so it doesn't go to the floor. So drop, hold. And you can practice that for a little while. Step 2. Once you've practiced the drop and hold, then you can just twist it back up. Drop, hold, and twist it back up. You're technically making a circle. And make sure to practice that. Step 3. Once you've practiced the drop, hold, bring back up, then you should be able to combine it and go like this. And then it should make like a spin kind of. Step 4. Once you've done the spin, then you'll be ready to do the behind the back and bring back up. The behind the back and then back up is so simple. So once you've done the spin, then it's like you just try to bring it back and then back up. Bring it back and then back up. Simple as that. Just, you're not even twisting it. Step 5. Once you've practiced the behind the back and bring back up, then you're ready to combine the spin and the behind the back and bring back up. Like this. You can start slow and then build your way up. Like me. Step 6. Once you've practiced this and this all combined, you're ready to turn off the lights.